First of all, dollar index daily time frame. Market sentiment depend on 105.430 horizontal support level. Price is still trading and making sideways correction above the support level. Below this level, dollar will be bearish. Above this level, dollar is bullish. So rate hike has ended. We are in rate pause trend. That's mean either dollar goes down or dollar stays sideways. So bar has already over, but despite those panic news, price could not break 106 resistance. So better you focus what Fed FOMC is saying. Last Fed speech was hawkish, except his comment on Milton Friedman. Now, next important thing is what he will say in next FOMC speech. Before that, 100% confirmation there will be no more rate hike. And all the news this week will decide where dollar will go next. But breakout of this support will change market psychology instantly. So war has ended and Fed rate hike has ended. So upside trend is limited. So either dollar makes sideways correction or goes down. Euro dollar daily time frame, price testing and trading above key horizontal support level. Dollar stay weak this week, then these pair will go up and focus on next horizontal resistance. This horizontal support 51.49 and 50% retracement level 40.58. These are key horizontal support level. Price tried but it could not retest 50% retracement level. So if this low survive this week, then you can say counter trend correction in dollar has begun. GBPUSD daily time frame, price is still trading between support and resistance. So this red area 23.109 is your first big resistance level. If this level break out, then you can say reversal in GBPUSD has begun. But big resistance will be 26.476. For more clarity for intraday trader, if you see H4 time frame, then first of all we have this strong broken trend line and this horizontal support level 21.102. This is strong horizontal support level. You can see price multiple time try to retest this level and each time you are seeing strong rejection. So if this support level break out, and this can be your double bottom trade. After breakout of this neckline, you can start buying, but first nearest target for intraday trader will be 26.476. Price is still locked at 149 level. So upcoming Fed FOMC and BOJ monetary policy will decide where this pair will go. Same old support and resistance. GPJPY daily time frame, price is making sideways correction, neither up and down, just sideways. So you should trade like a sideways range. Same with CAD JPY. Since because of war, we do not have crystal clear answer where oil will go next. Neither BOJ is giving clear answer what they will do with their interest rate decision. Ultimately, this pair is sideways. If oil goes down and BOJ hike, then this pair can go down. And first week support 104.238. So this pair made a high, first bearish leg, made a correction. So you can sell on retracement using tight SL but targeting new lower low. If war has really stopped and oil comes down, then this pair will go down. Bitcoin daily time frame, you have this sideways range and price is going up again. I gave warning about this thing in Telegram channel that Bitcoin must explode because Kaskari has given signal and soon their QT monetary policy will change. If 32k level breakout, then crypto bubble market will start immediately. So trade like a sideways range, your horizontal support and resistance. If range breakout, then new bullish trend begin. Silver daily time frame, this support level 20.81 was big bottom for silver and short term resistance 22.22 also broken. Now your next big resistance is this dynamic trend line. This is strong dynamic resistance. Wait for retest of this trend line. After breakout, new high in silver is coming. And you can easily target for $30 price. But first wait for breakout of this trend line. Now oil daily time frame, sideways range between horizontal support and resistance. I personally think war is over and we have this new news, and if price stay below 88 level, then a good news on bar peace, then it can retest again 83 level. Because a minor change in oil price on daily time frame from 88 either up or down will instantly change market sentiment. Because oil is like war indicator. You can read 1000 news but you can see only one chart. If more red candlestick comes on oil chart, then you can say war is over. If there is a war, then oil must go up. So watch carefully oil chart. This will change entire market psychology this week. Whether candlestick is blue or red, sentiment will change instantly. SP 500 daily time frame. If new low come this week, price breakout below 4200, then you can say this is lower low with lower high, and this will change entire market psychology instantly. Because you cannot ignore recession forever, and this 4200 is a strong horizontal support level. Instantly it will change market psychology if you see one red candlestick below this level. Because you have war and you have surging yield, because 10-year was trading at 5% last week. So all of these things are bearish for stock market. If things change, then market direction can change, which ultimately depend on GDP and PCE news this week. So this week important thing is how price react to 4200 level. You see rejection like hammer candlestick or clear breakout. Because if 4200 level survive, then it can go to 5000 this time, or if this level break out, then it will not stop before 3600. Nasdaq daily time frame. Here this trend line give you clear technical signal. This is a strong trend line tested multiple times. Below this trend line you can say Nasdaq is bearish. You have seen Nvidia stocks are collapsing. So very bad news for Nasdaq. There is no clear short-term support. It can easily break if SP 500 goes down more this week. But big support can be 13720. For market direction, technically, watch SP 500 4200 support level, and for resistance, watch this trend line on Nasdaq. So two chart combined giving you clear technical setup. Dow Jones daily time frame, price is coming down. This area 32,649 is a big horizontal support level. Same like 4200 on SP 500. So watch carefully how price react to this level this week. Because if PCE go down this week on Friday, then Fed tone will definitely change. And if Fed turn dovish, then market can turn. If all of this economic indicator comes strong this week, inflation expectation increase again, then Fed have already said in last speech, strong economy means more hike. Officially they will not hike again, but they will maintain their hawkish tone.